is in danger. I gotta let my spirit be free to admit that I'm wrong and then change my mind. So, but I had to move on and leave you behind. I can't waste time, so give it a moment. I realize nothing's broken. No need to worry about everything I've done. And every second like it was my last one. Don't look back, got a new direction. I'm not the one, needed protection. Stood up part of everything I do. You're on my heart just like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. And I will always have you. I'll always have you. Oh, I can't waste time. Yeah, need to hurry. Never do that. Kalimutan ko. On my heart just like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Kumusta?
Okay naman dyan.
Okay naman.
Oo, wala siyang ano. Kasi parang mababa nga para sa iyo.
Ha? Tumataas sa boses ko. Pakinggan mo na yung isa. Lugmok. Say hot. Laan, hindi nakakatabayan, solid. Yeah? Sobrang daming gatas at condensed. Para ka lang mas malala pa yata sa kanin. Diba? Nakataba lalo, diba? Habang may triangle.
Tinanong ko pa kami si Kitcha na yung tatsulog.
Tinanong ko sa kanya. Wala, di mo namin sa tatsulog.
Nang bang na ano ako nawala? Ito na part na to, may na yung good. Pala sa akin. Tagal.
Yung akin ilan?
1 minute and 40.
Nick, sana pinasok na lang din yung ano ko, diba? If I live in the moment,